Hi everybody, I want to show you how to install RabbitMQ to Windows. Here's the steps. The first one is download OTP from erland.org and install OTP like that, and go to erland.org. Click for Windows 64-bit binary file to download. I have already downloaded OTP win file, and next step, next pause and go, and going. What's next? To download RabbitMQ from rabbitmq.com. Go to download and installation menu and click at the right side. There is a window, install Windows section. Scroll down and go to GitHub version, the last version, download area, RabbitMQ server. Click to download. I have already downloaded this exe, and click next. I already installed it. Okay. Only click next. There is no configuration needed. And when we finish the installation, we need to configure to access user interface at web browser. We need to enable user interface, this command, and copy this command and search for RabbitMQ sbin prompt. First, let's start service. We need to say start service off, right? And RabbitMQ Service started, and go to RabbitMQ command prompt sbin. And copy this configuration command and paste the command prompt. Yes, paste, and enter. Enable. Yes, enabled. And we can able to log in at web localhost. The password logout, and I had already login, so I log out and I enter username guest and password the same guest. Login. That's all. The installation is completed. That's all. Thank you for watching me. It is very fast installation, RabbitMQ with user interface. Thank you for watching me.